Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings to Madam Hazilin. My name is Harishanan bin Sugama. My entry number is 23 DLH 21F 2009. I am from class DLH 1B. The topic that I have chosen for this presentation is why animal testing should be banned. The animal testing is not an alien to the world. Unfortunately, many fields is so used to it until they refuse to acknowledge how bad it have affects the world. Whether it is the ecosystem or the unethical act it is towards our little friends. Irregardless, the makeup industry, pharmaceutical and science world. In this presentation, I will talk about why the animal testing should be banned. The first point in my presentation is animal testing is bad. Animal testing are really bad because the animal will suffer from the testing. This happens because the animal could not give any consent to their bodies being exploited and tested. For this reason, animal testing should be stopped because it violates the rights of the animal. My second point in this presentation is animals can also feel pains. Animals are just like us. They could also feel pains. Before their death in the lab, the animal may inhale fumes, immobilized in restraint device for hours, and many more cruel ways that you cannot possibly even imagine. Most laboratories that use animal tester are not required by law to provide any veterinary care or pain relief. Even us, a human being, need some kind of pain relief when we go through any health operation. Therefore, animals should not be used in research or to be tested on products. The last point in my presentation is animal testing are usually unreliable. Humans and animals are very different creatures. The results that were produced for animal testing usually does not accurately predict human responses. The drugs that have been tested on animals also have a low rates of success. 92% of experiments that work safely on animals have failed in human clinical trial. In conclusion, we should fight for these little creatures and help them be free from these cruel experiments. Animal testing should be fully stopped because it violates animals' rights. It causes pain and suffering to the experimental animals, and other means of testing product toxicity are available. That's all from me for this presentation. Thank you and goodbye.